Today we must win! Everyone ready?
Ready to fly at full speed!
I will turn this place into my golden palace. Not on my watch. Do you dare accept the challenge, Super Wings?
We accept! The wind is strange today. Be careful, something is off.
Let's see who can ride my wind. We must adapt before it's too late. As long as there's wind, I can conquer any vortex. Leave the evasive maneuvers to me.
Good. Keep the formation flexible.
This wind is really strong, but it won't be difficult for me. I trust you, Dizzy.
Hornet, cause trouble for me.
Activated.
There's a strange drone behind us. I'll cover our rear.
The wind is pushing me off! We need to find the wind's rhythm. If it dives, I'll lure it away.
Good, exactly as planned. You haven't grasped my power yet.
Just you wait.
Take off! Let's go!
Hold formation! Don't let it break our rhythm! I'll block it! Hornet, follow me if you dare! Secondary target acquired. This vortex is nothing! Ah!
Hold steady. Don't let the wind push you.
This wind is pushing me off course. I need to find its rhythm.
Stay calm. You can do it.
Ha! Let's see who can ride this wind. Upgrade command executed.
Team, the wind has changed direction strongly. I can really feel it.
I let it far away.
Good. Keep close. Keep clear. The wind is hitting the left edge.
I see it! Watch out!
Come here, you nuisance! New target located.
The wind isn't to be fought, but to be ridden.
Great idea, Dizzy.
If I combine with the right rhythm, I can accelerate. Go for it! We'll cover you!
It's locked on again! Keep it busy a little longer.
All right, I'm starting to understand how it works. Great! Keep going!
The wind is going crazy!
We're about to enter the strongest wind zone! I need a few more seconds to synchronize with the wind.
We'll cover you.
I can feel the entire airflow now. Great! Now break away! Wow! Dizzy is really speeding up!
Riding the wind perfectly.
No one can stop Dizzy!
Change target location.
I'll keep the space clear behind you.
Thanks, Flip.
Thanks, Flip! This is it! The perfect acceleration zone!
Keep the rhythm! I must stop it now! Maximum interference activated! Dizzy, hold your course! I'll block the waves for you!
Understood, Captain.
Think chasing me is easy?
Increasing pursuit speed.
Your speed has surpassed the standard.
I'm riding the rhythm perfectly!
Hornet, come up here and catch me!
Changing target.
The wind rhythm is stable. I'm ready to glide the final loop.
Team, full support.
No one can surpass me! Wind intensity increased to maximum.
The wind is too strong, but I won't stop. Stay calm. Trust the wind. Time to use the special mode.
We'll for you.
Go!
Team, cover me for a few seconds. Hold formation. Don't let the wind sweep you away.
Look at me, Hornet!
Switching to agile target pursuit. Let it follow me. Dizzy will be safe. Well done, Flip. I've created an air pocket. Let's go, Dizzy.
Thank you, Captain.
I've made an air pocket. Let's go, Dizzy.
Thanks, Captain.
Preparing to transform. 3, 2, 1. We're holding the protective circle tight.
Activate Dragon Glide. Amazing. You transformed perfectly. I can feel every current of wind clearly.
You're mastering it now. Not this time! Double obstacle. Recalculating.
I'm flying faster than ever!
Hold your course to the final turbine.
That's a huge turbine. I need to find the perfect wind current.
You can do it! We've got your back! Go, Dizzy!
I see the open airflow. Head for the flag.
I'll tag. Oh.
This is the moment for a real breakthrough.
We're right behind you.
I'm in! Don't let the wind swallow me!
Keep your course. You're about to pass through it. This is it. The wind current I've been waiting for.
Seize this moment! I've got it! You keep going!
Thanks, Flip.
No way will it hinder her.
Loss of balance. Redirecting.
Here it is. The wind flow I've been waiting for.
Seize this moment!
Speed increased to maximum.
Hold tight. You're about to break through.
I'm in the core. No turning back. Go all the way, Dizzy.
That drone is done interfering. System overloaded.
I've escaped the turbine.
Amazing. The flag is right ahead.
I see it. Yeah, just a little more.
No! It can't win! Watch out ahead, Dizzy! Watch out ahead, Dizzy!
Here it is. Keep that speed. Keep that speed. Here it is.
Maintain that speed. You can't lose speed now. We're protecting you.
Dizzy! Grab it!
No.
I'm almost there.
Keep going. Don't slow down.
I won't miss this chance. You're doing great.
No one's blocking Dizzy.
You nuisance! You're done causing trouble! Critical error, shutting down!
The wind of a small moment. Like a... Almost there! Almost there!
Don't slow down!
I haven't lost yet. Dizzy, veer right!
The wind is strong, but not strong enough.
Beautifully done, Dizzy.
I'm gonna touch it right now! Go!
No, don't break down now.
Too late!
Late!
This is our victory! Do it, Dizzy! Touched it! You're Superb! Superb!
Dizzy did it! Incredible! No way! Did I lose?
Cheating never wins.
Thank you, everyone! I couldn't have done it without the whole team!
You're the star today.
We've protected Stratosphere Stadium! A perfect victory!
We really did it!
The team fought perfectly!
The Victory Aerial Show starts now!
Great somersault, Jerome! This time, I truly lost. Victory must come from fairness.
You can play fair next time.
I will reconsider.
Thank you, everyone, for trusting me!
You deserve it! This scene will never be forgotten. Truly a legendary moment.
This is a victory for the whole team, not just me.
We're always together.
All right, time to get the trophy!
My heart is pounding so fast!
The well-deserved victory belongs to Dizzy.
Thank you. I will never forget this day.
Super Wings, always amazing!
And today, we made a miracle.